Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my 2015 Honda Civic Si. So this is my Honda Civic. I got it like 6 months ago. My first manual car, first Civic. I used to drive a 2014 Infiniti Q50. Big V6, but the gas consumption was not to my liking. So I opted for something a little smaller. I always wanted to get into a manual, so I took the jump. First manual car, very forgiving to learn on. I got it at 85,000 kilometers, completely stock. The last owner, last owner didn't do anything to it, which basically gave me free reign. Basically a new car that's broken in already. The only thing that came with the car, some curb rashed rims, but for what I paid, I would say I got a steal. The dealer was selling it because they couldn't diagnose a problem in the engine. The battery kept dying on them when it was parked overnight, and not only that, but every time you'd hit VTEC, you'd get a check engine light. A couple days into owning it, I diagnosed and fixed both of those problems. The check engine light when you hit VTEC was due to a bad VTC solenoid, which is basically the VTEC solenoid. Whenever VTEC hits, what increases the oil pumping to the cams. That was shot. I took it out. I have a picture of it. It was broken in two when I pulled it out. It was supposed to be one piece. Ordered that new part. Car runs completely fine now. Hit VTEC, smashed the rev limiter, no problems. The dying battery. On these cars, they have touch sensitive door handles. Just right here. When you put your hand here, it would unlock. But I noticed whenever I'd get near the car, it would unlock automatically as if it had, it would sense you. But the car didn't come with that option, so I found that weird. Come to find out, there's a common problem with these in the forums. When dirt gets back here, when mud and dirt and ground gets back here, it kind of triggers the sensor to think you're always having your hand there. So it never shuts off. It never shuts off, never shuts off sensing your key, which was killing the battery. It's like a sensor that's always sensing the key, and if your hand's here, it's always going to be on. And since there's dirt there, it jammed it into thinking my hand was there. So whenever I'd get within range of the car, it would unlock the doors, and it would just keep spamming it, which I noticed and diagnosed. The fix for that is to unplug the door handles. So unfortunately, I don't have the touch sensitive door handles anymore. From what I read in the forums, they're saying that you'd have to replace the actual door handle, which I don't really care to do, at least not now. Cost-effective fix, open the door up, remove the harness from the door handle, and then there you go. Just unplug it and leave it there. If I ever want to sell it, I'll plug it back in, but until then, I don't really care for it. No problems. Since I've gotten the car, all I've done, 20% tints all around, ceramic. Windshield has 70% ceramic. What else have I done? Oh, full race catback exhaust, 3-inch. It really increases the sound of the car. And not only that, it increases performance. 3-inch exhausts are what these cars really like. So I think that would be the only option as far as exhausts. Intake wise, nothing done to the engine. Changed the oil, new VTC solenoid, that's it. I did yellow fogs. Came with the red badges. The previous owner just up badged it a little bit. I don't mind. I think they look nice with the red SI. LED headlights, LED high beams, LED reverse lights. As people know, if you have one of these, the reverse lights stock come really dim and you really can't see when you're backing up, especially if you have tint. Another thing I did was I replaced the turn signals. So both the turn signals are extremely bright now. I have videos on both of those things that I did. Also went ahead and replaced the license plate light because it comes as a yellow kind of halogen-y bulb. Replaced them to LEDs. Now you can see my license plate no matter where I am. Got the full front of the car PPF'd up until the A-pillar, halfway through the A-pillar. and halfway through the roof line. On my previous car, I noticed that the roof line was getting chewed up, and I didn't have PPF there. So I knew that on my next car, I would be putting PPF on the entire car. Full, what do you call these fenders? Fenders are full, full front bumper, full hood. It goes all the way around, full headlights. The only thing I've had to replace so far is a fog light that got smashed by a rock. As you can see, driving on the highway, rocks get thrown up, shattered a fog light, so I should replace that. That's all I've had to do. Interior wise, literally nothing. Oh, I got WeatherTech floor mats. That's pretty much it. Literally nothing else. Completely stock, really clean. It looks like it's a new car. Previous owner took care of it, obviously. I think he only drove it during the summer, because there's not a spot of rust on it, even on the underbody. But I don't mind that at all. I keep it clean, I wash it weekly, no rust on it since I've gotten it, so I'm not complaining. Other than that, yeah, it's completely stock. Plan to have for the summer, I ordered some wheels, which you'll see when I put that video up. They'll be coming in a few weeks now, I guess. And then like maybe 2-3 weeks from now, they'll be coming in. I plan to lower the car on BC Racing coilovers, just to tighten up the fitment, because when I get the new wheels, they'll be plus 35. So they'll stick out right up to the fender. They'll be really flush. And I really want to lower the car so it doesn't look goofy. My previous car, where I was living at the time, had a really steep driveway. So I had wheels, I had tires, but I didn't lower it, so it looked goofy. So I'll probably be lowering this. I definitely will be. And yeah, no complaints. That's all I got to say about this thing. Extremely fun to drive. If you're looking to get one, I highly recommend it. Really good on gas. I average 6.5 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers, which I think is around 30-ish miles per gallon if you're in the US. Extremely good compared to a VQ37, which was giving me, you know, barely 20 miles per gallon, more like 18 miles per gallon, or if you're familiar, like 13-ish, 12-ish liters per 100 kilometers. But yeah, if you're looking to get into a manual especially, it's extremely easy to learn on, really light clutch. It's a high bite point, so once you do get comfortable, you can go fast really easily. On the base model Civics, if you get a manual, the clutch will be a lot lower, I'm pretty sure, because it's not as performance based, but I really like it, honestly. I really like the cloth seats. I had leather seats in my previous car, but anyone who lives in Canada knows leather seats in minus 40 degrees Celsius are not fun things to pair together. So I really don't mind the cloth. Obviously leather's nice, no diss to that, but you know, I appreciate what I bought. Insurance is cheap, much cheaper. You know, I'm only 20 something, so I don't really have the funds to, you know, like keep that VQ around. It was really nice. I did a lot of stuff to it, you know, carbon fiber, everything. But I really wouldn't take this car back for anything. I think it was great to have, to learn from, but this car, definitely I like it a lot. So yeah, guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon.